If you've got products in your Shopify store that are just basic, a long title, a few images, maybe a short description, this is for you. Basic product pages work, but they're not doing much to actually sell the product. But here's the good news. You can regenerate entire product pages with AI and transform them into high-converting professional pages in about 30 seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, here's a product I have in my Shopify store. Now look at this. I've got a really long title, some product images, and a super short description. That's it, not much to work with. There are a few apps already enabled on the page, but there's no persuasive content, no key benefits section, no FAQs. It's just bare bones. So let's regenerate this page with AI and make it actually optimized for conversion. You go to Vitals and then the AI Marketing Studio. You'll find the AI product page generator right here. Just click Get Started. First thing you'll notice, you can generate product pages in multiple languages, which is super useful if you sell in different countries. I'm sticking with English for this one, but keep that in mind. Now you've got two options. Import a new product from AliExpress or Amazon, or select a product from your Shopify catalog. Since I want to regenerate the page I already have, I'm going to select from the catalog. So let me just find the product. There it is. Okay, now this is important. See this checkbox that says rewrite product title and description with AI? If you check this, the AI is going to completely replace your existing title and description in Shopify with new AI-generated content. This action cannot be undone, so only check this if you actually want the AI to rewrite that content. If you've already invested time in your product description and you're happy with it, leave this unchecked. For me, I've got a terrible title and basically no description, so I'm checking it. I want the full AI treatment. Alright, click Generate, and this will take about 20 seconds for Shopify products and maybe a little longer if you're importing from AliExpress or Amazon. The AI is rewriting the product title, it's creating a persuasive description, generating content for all those conversion-focused sections, and building out the template. So let's see what we get. Okay, it's ready. Wow, look at this. The title is way better. It's clean and it's professional. We've got a product tagline right here and key benefits placed above the add to cart section. Super easy to scan when customers are making their decision. Scroll down and you'll see a detailed product description that actually sells the product instead of just listing features. The product bundle is higher up on the page where it should be. We've got store benefits here, trust signals that tell customers why they should order from us, and then all these product-specific sections describing and selling the product. And look at this benefits section. It's beautifully laid out with visuals. And down here, a product-specific FAQ section answering common questions. This is a huge improvement over what I had before, and I'm really happy with it. Now, what if you want to change something on this page? Here's what you need to know. Do not try to edit the product description in the theme editor because you'll see it's pulling from a dynamic source. All the AI-generated information is stored in the product editor. See? Here's the rewritten product title and description because I checked that option. And if you scroll down to the meta field section, you'll see all the content that appears in those sections is stored right here. So if you want to change product-specific content, change it here. Click Save, and the changes will show up on the product page immediately. But what if you want to change the design? Well, let's say I want to change the color of this image and text section. Maybe make it blue because this is a kid store and blue works better. For design changes like that, you go to the Shopify theme editor. Colors, layouts, reordering sections, that all happens here. Now, here's the important distinction again. You can safely change static content in the theme editor, like these store benefits that don't pull from a dynamic source. That's fine. But if you want to change something that's product specific and was generated by AI, change it in the product editor. So let me wrap this up. You can generate any product page with AI and transform it from basic to conversion ready in about 30 seconds. Better title, persuasive description, key benefits, FAQs, the whole package. All that AI generated content lives in the product editor, where you can edit it anytime. And design changes happen in the theme editor. So if you've got products that need a serious upgrade, now you know exactly how to do it. Go make those pages work harder for you.